Hi guys. Okay, so today's video is basically about how I style this only like a plain white shirt. Okay, this is my brother's shirt. I just like took it from his closet, and I kind of like paired it with like different outfits, and also like just like this shirt, like how can you like tie it and everything to like make it cool. So it's like a little different, so have a look. Also, I will mostly add like some bloopers or some videos in the end, because my whole room was a mess, I was a mess. So I think I have shot some things on camera, so let's see. Let's get right into it. Okay, so for our first idea, what you have to do is just take your shirt, then tuck the collars in. Just like take the collars and kind of like tuck it inside, inwards, and then just like you see the loose ends hanging, just take those and kind of tie it into a knot, a basic knot. Okay. After you're done tying a knot, just take the clothing, the extra clothing, and tuck it inside. So for this one, what you have to do is you need to wear your shirt ulta. Okay, so like put your hands in the wrong sleeves and everything. Then just like the loose ends, just like tie it at the back. Don't like button up the shirt. Okay, just tie it ekdam niche. Then you get like a very elegant and beautiful backless top. And I'm in love with the back. So you can like wear any type of like a bralette or like a something like that looks good. So I think you should try this. This was really easy. Okay, so for the third one, first you take a shirt, put the collars in, then take the shirt from the back and kind of take it from under your arms, and then button it up on your chest, and just take the sides ka sleeve and kind of tie a bow. Then just like tuck in your excess clothing in your skirt, so it gives like a very cute effect, and I really love this top. So I kind of paired it with a leather jacket. You can just use a denim jacket or whatever you have. I think it will look good with anything, absolutely anything. So yeah, I think try this. Okay, just take a white shirt, close like the third button or something, and then just tie it around your waist. Just tie the loose ends around your waist, and it's literally like that's it. Okay, so you can even like kind of like take your sleeves a little down and make it off shoulder or whatever. But I kind of like pair it with plazos, and it looks super good. So I really think you guys should try it with plazos. Look at me rocking the slow-mo. Lol. So yeah, try this. So this is my absolute favorite, and I think you guys must have seen it on my Instagram post. I am in love with this. So you just take a normal dress, like any dress, and kind of just wear your shirt inside it, and it gives like a perfect office wear sort of a look, and I love how formal and gorgeous it is. So I think you should really try this. Okay, so for this one, it's like a very simple one. So you just need to like button up your upar ke, like I think 2-3 buttons, and then just like start taking your both ends and start rolling it, kind of like just like how I have shown it, and then just tuck it behind, okay, and your skirt, just like tuck it in. Do it on the other side too, and kind of like gives like a really cute look, and I kind of like this, so you can try this too. Okay, so So for this one, I had this baggy sort of like a flowy dress, and it's like a very simple and plain dress. So what you can do is like take your shirt, kind of like make it off shoulder, and just tie it. You know, just like tie a knot like that, like how I've shown, and it turns out super cute. So what you can do is you could like even like wear it with like a strapless bra or something with normal jeans like a top, and that also turns out really cute. So I think really recommend to try this one.
देख लिया वीडियो, अच्छे आइडियाज है ना. चलो अभी ब्लूपर्स भी देख लो, ठीक है.
मेरी स्पॉट बॉय को ठंडी लग रही थी क्योंकि मैंने एसी चलाया हुआ था और मैंने फुल स्लीव पहना था, उसने शॉर्ट्स पहने थे. तो ये बहुत रेयरली इतना प्यार आता है, ऐसा नॉर्मली नहीं आता है. डोंट वरी गाइस. और मेरा दूसरा फोटोग्राफर आ गया. ये मेरा मेन फोटोग्राफर है. Lola Mini Spotify is also my DJ, so she was just like putting some songs for us.
हाय. ओके, सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. आई लव यू ऑल. तुम लोगों ने एंड तक देखा, थैंक यू सो मच. ओके, सो लाइक कर दो, शेयर कर दो, सब्सक्राइब कर दो, सब कुछ कर दो. ओके, आई लव यू. ऑल्सो लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन फॉर एनी न्यू वीडियो आइडियाज. बाय.